We are getting demand for this type of maize. These are the pulses we grow. In forages we have this well. And these varieties are not only leased for JDK, they are leased across India also.
And sir, it took us 20 years to develop this variety.
इसमें सर वो प्रोडक्शन में क्लोरल होता है, सब पे वेरिएबिलिटी है नहीं।
So what is this used for?
Sir, it is a spice. Very much a spice. इसके अलावा देखिए, it is high.
Almond rate with the international varieties.
The entire village has been declared as organic. And this is the spinach, pollen which we have taken from the jungle.
We have also Professor Rehana Habib, who is the Dean, Faculty of Agriculture, Vadura, SKUAST-K, also the organizing secretary of this conference. Our most respected invited speakers, chairman, co-chairman, and rapporteurs of the different technical sessions of this conference. With us on dais, Professor Jagdish Master, who is the Vice Chancellor, SKUAST of Jammu, Dr. K.K. Singh, who is heading the Indian Meteorological Department in New organized by SKUAST of Kashmir and Association of Agro-Meteorologists Anand Gujarat Kashmir chapter. At this
of food security, that is availability, access, utilization and stability, and their interaction. The reduced availability is linked to reduced yield of the crops and livestock system, decreased pollination and height.
To enjoy the wonderful climate and the wonderful sights of J&K. I would, on this occasion, Professor Ganai, Professor Sharma, Professor K.K. Singh, and Professor Vyas.
Indian Agricultural Research Association Organization, Ministry of Earth Sciences, NABARD, NAISP, JK Bank, Field Industries, Jain Irrigation and others. Once again, it's my privilege to welcome and greet all the participants, delegates, speakers. Projections made by using modeling approach, it has been reported that each degree Celsius increase in global mean temperature would on an average reduce the global yield of wheat by 6%. The agriculture adapting crop to increase climate variability and uncertainty, being organized at our university in collaboration with the Association of Agro-Meteorology.
That even in what in history is a very short span, even of 50 to 100 years, we could see some very disastrous.
Dr. Sudhir Kumar Misra, Agrometeorologist, Punjab Agricultural University, Regional Research Center, Bari.